we're going to look at how you can use natural honey. So most of men, you lack or you have low blood saturation. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what you can use with honey to increase blood saturation. How you can be taking this home remedy every day to boost your natural strength. Remember, this video is for education purpose only. So if you're on TikTok, Facebook, I always tell you, for such amazing videos, go to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, and subscribe for more. So what you need is natural honey, okay? You need natural honey. Besides natural honey, we have other ingredients you need for this home remedy to take place. I want you to get for me Nescafe, okay? Get for me Nescafe. If you don't have Nescafe, you can get another type of coffee powder. Remember, coffee powder contains nutrients like magnesium, calcium, zinc. Guys, get for me garlic. The next, you need lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime, okay? But right now I'm going to use lemon for this remedy to take place. How do you make this amazing remedy? First of all, I want you to get for me hot boiled water. Just 1 glass of hot boiled water like this one, okay? Hot boiled water, as you see, guys. Bring it here, okay? Your glass. It's enough. Is my garlic, guys. So I'm going to bring my garlic into my glass, okay? Into my glass, as you see, guys. Just 1 piece of garlic. You bring it into your glass, which contains hot boiled water. Make sure that you mix very well, guys. Okay. From that, after getting your 1 piece of garlic, I want you to get for me lemon, okay? Lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime. So for lemon juice, you're going to add only 1 tablespoon, guys, okay? Bring it in your glass again and mix very well. Next is Nescafe, okay? Coffee powder. I told you if you don't have Nescafe, you can use another type of coffee powder. But for this, you're going to get for me Nescafe. Just 1 tablespoon of Nescafe is enough. Don't exceed 1 tablespoon. Bring it here. Then you're going to mix again very well. But before I proceed, my dear, subscribe, invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Of course, feel free to invite your friends. For natural honey, you're going to add also. Here we go. Just add for me natural honey, as you see. As you see, just natural honey is enough. This is enough. I think you can measure 1 tablespoon, okay? You measure 1 tablespoon and you mix again. There we go. Now, the question is, when are you supposed to take this amazing remedy? I want you, for long term, please, you can take this amazing remedy every day after breakfast, but take it every day for less than 3 weeks to start seeing good results, because results may vary depending on the person's blood saturation. Now, for short term, if you're expecting an activity, for example, today, you can take this amazing home remedy 30 minutes before the activity if you want to witness good results. Okay, it means you can be taking it every day, and when you expect to go for the activity, take it 30 minutes before.